This is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and in this video I will show how you can enter the power saving mode on this device. So to start, you will need to launch settings, then find and enter the battery lab category. So the power boost is your regular battery saver, so by enabling it you're pretty much entering the power saving mode, but the phone has even more extreme version or edition of the power boost called the ultra power saving. So if you would like to conserve your battery life even more, you can enable it, and the phone's functionality will reduce even further, as you can see. In order to exit it, just tap at this exit icon or button there. And that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.